Gardner Bender's technical support team, and I'm going to be demonstrating some of our wire connectors and one of our wire connector driver nuts. So the first demonstration will be with my hand. Just a basic test here. All by hand, not using any assistance. That's on there pretty good. It's not pulling out. So the difference would be using the driver, which has slots for the wings to fit directly into, so it won't come out. So you just install it in the drill. That's in there. You insert your wires. And it's on. And that's it for our 13-086 22-6 AWG wire connectors. As always, if you have any questions about our videos or would like other training videos done, just email us at tech.support@gardnerbender.com. Thanks.